Hi everyone, it's me GoldQueen Queency and welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's tutorial, you might have seen the look we are creating today from the thumbnail. So without wasting any of your time, we are going to get started. I'm going to make use of the Fassala Unicorn Essence as my primer, okay, as well as my face oil. Then I will go ahead making use of this Kiss Beauty Photo Finish Primer Water as my primer, okay. And for my foundation, I'm making use of Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 338. Before I get started, I as well wet my beauty blender, okay, with the same setting spray. Then with my hand, I have to like press the beauty blender in order to work in the setting spray, okay, in order to soften it or make it welt. So basically, I'll go ahead to apply my foundation, as you guys can see. And then for my concealer, I'll make use of this concealer. I've had it like for quite a while now, but it's the best concealer I've used, okay. And so babes, I will go ahead to like blend out my concealer of my face, okay. And as well, I'm going to like make use of a cream contour in order to contour my face. And with a contour flat brush, I'll go ahead to like blend out the contour on my face, babes. So babes, let me know if you guys would want some talk through videos, some like clothing haul, because I'm thinking of like filming such. If you guys would want that, let me know. And as well, I'm making of this Veroni loose powder in order to set my face. I will go ahead like applying it all over the areas of my face I highlighted, and as well all over my face. And so guys, with this Maybelline Fit Me powder, I'll go ahead to like apply it, okay, on the areas of my face I didn't apply the loose powder I was using, okay. And as well make use of this powder later on to blend out my baking, or the areas of my face that I tried baking. So base for my brow, I'll go ahead making use of this focal brow gel, okay, in order to do my brow. So guys, I have like a detailed brow tutorial I uploaded recently, okay. Make sure you check it out, all the tips and tricks I do in order to get the perfect brow, because my brow are not the same, okay. I have like different brow shapes, but it's normal, okay. But as humans, we have to try, to get them to look like one. So babes, after applying my brow, okay, after doing my brow, I'm going to go ahead make use of some concealer, some Fit Me concealer, in order to clean it out, okay. And as well make use of this Fit Me concealer in order to conceal my lid. So with this eyeshadow palette, I'm making use of this Manage eyeshadow palette. I saw it and it was so cheap. So guys, the eyeshadow palette I was showing you guys like cost so cheap. Like I got it for like less than like $100 for $100. No, I got it for like $1, okay, $1 plus. So guys, and for the pigmentation and everything, I'm quite impressed. So guys, I'm going to make use of the colors there, okay. I use only 2 colors, as you guys can see, one as my transition color and then the other as my lead color. And so guys, I'm going to blend it, like after blending everything together, in order to make sure that my outer corner is clean. So I have to like with a clean brush go above to blend it, and then I'm making use of this Handian eyeliner. It has like two heads or so, but I'm going to make use of the normal liner in order to line my eyes. I do like a normal liner, not a wing liner. So babes, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara with this OMG mascara. After applying some mascara, I will blend out the baking I was doing. And for my contour, I'm going to make use of this Ultra contour palette in order to contour my face. And so babes, after contouring my face, so before I get over to what I was trying to say, okay, these days I literally like do like one contouring and one bronzing, okay. I'll first of all go with the lighter color in order to contour my face like normal. Then I'll go with the darker color, then focusing on only the outer, like you saw there. and then it will give you like a more chiseled contoured face. And then for my blush, I made use of this MAC blush, okay, in the one called Angle. I think this should be like an old blush. I've had it for quite some while, but it's so good. It's a mineralized blush. So please, after applying the blush, I'll go ahead in order to like remove any powdery look with the same primer water I use, okay. And then for my lower lash line, I made use of the two colors together, and then I will go ahead to like blend out my lower lash line, then apply some mascara using the same OMG mascara I used. And so babes, that is it for my eyes. In order to highlight my face, I'm making use of this Miss Rose yellow highlighter. Okay, just go over there, apply it. And so babes, after applying it with the same beauty blender I used to blend my foundation, or with a neat one, I'll just go over a dry beauty blender. I'll go ahead to blend out the highlighter in so that there are no harsh lines, okay. And then for my lips, I'll make use of this Q-Best lip liner. So babes, after lining my lips, I will go ahead making use of this Stila Cosmetic lipstick in order to apply some lipstick to my lips. And so babes, thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to, and that is the final look on how we created this easy and simple makeup look for summer. Thank you so much guys. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter. I love you guys. Bye.